Small engine repair.
Hi, I'm just looking to drop my lawnmower off for some service.
What's the issue you're having with it?
Oh, it just won't turn over.
So it won't crank or it's just not starting?
I just told you it's not turning over.
Yeah, I heard you say that, but when you say that it won't turn over, you mean that it's not starting or it's not cranking?
Well, yeah, it won't crank over.
Can you get it to me? Just bring it by and we'll see what's going on with it.
Oh, great, I'll be by later today. You know, I really appreciate you looking at this.
No problem. We'll get you squared away in a second. So it does turn over.
No.